As a bending apprentice, your biggest struggle is probably reading bending drawings. Bending drawings mainly distinguish first angle and third angle projection. Once you know first and third angle, and now each one folds like this one being first angle. That one is third angle. Your first angle? That is the third angle. So what's the difference between first and third angle? Big end toward the center is first angle. Small end toward the center, third angle. Remember one word, third. Small end toward the center, third angle. Remember that word, and you already know how to tell them apart. First angle and third angle, understand? Now let's start folding based on the views. Step 1. Locate the product's front view using the first angle projection. Right side view. First angle. Right side fold. First angle. Right side fold. Then, triangle low, fold down. So bending, fold down. On the third. Third angle projection is the opposite. Diagram on the right. We flip the view to the left. Getting more complex. Let's start with, look at the bent view. Walk up to that. Third angle projection, small end aligns with the bullseye. For instance, at this point, first of all, you can see there. Align the project with the lower middle drawing. Before bending, it's easier to visualize. Now, next. Third angle view. According to the bent view of our design. So that's third angle. Diagram on top, flip down. You can see that this is correct. Therefore, at this point, beginners often get confused. Diagram on top, flip down, I wrote. I don't get it. I end up flipping back how to avoid that. See, first angle, projection. First angle view, diagram on top. Fold upward. Simple enough? Now here's the plot. You remember third angle is opposite to first angle. First angle top diagram equals third. Except for third angle, it folds downward. Right. Use first angle to determine third angle bending direction. Top diagram, pull down side. End diagram on right. Third angle, right diagram equals fold left. This is where people often get confused, right? Diagram on right means fold left. People confused. Use first angle to verify. Right side first angle view. Right side diagram. Fold. Right. Third angle is opposite. Diagram on right. First angle goes right, so third angle goes left. However, don't get stuck on terms like looking from the top or bottom, rotating 180 degrees. Just follow along. First angle, diagram location determines fall direction. Third angle, exactly opposite. A few minutes to master first and third angle projections.